Hi children, in the previous videos we discussed up to 7 problems now. So in this video we are going to discuss the problems from 8 onwards. So what is that 8th problem here? If sin A is equal to 1 by root 10, what they given? Sin A is equal to 1 by root 10. Next, sin B is equals to 1 by root 5. Where A and B are positive and acute. So here they are saying that A and B, those two angles also positive and acute. Why madam here you written means acute means 0 to 90 only, no? And those two also positive they are saying. So that's why here AB also lies in that quadrant 1. So in quadrant 1 all the values are positive. All the trigonometric ratios are positive. Okay. So that's why here sin A is equals to 1 by root 10, sin B is equals to 1 by root 5. So here we need to find that A plus B value they are asking. A plus B. So here we can apply that as sin trigonometric ratio also we can apply, no? Sin or cos. If you take that cos, then find out that cos A and cos B. Here also we can find that cos A and cos B, no? Okay, so that's why here I am going to apply that sin of A plus B formula. Okay, so sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So here sin A sin B values there. So we need to find that cos A cos B. Okay, so here take the triangle. So here this is A. Okay, 1 by root 10. So sin means opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is 1, hypotenuse is root 10. So here adjacent we don't know that, right? So adjacent is x. So how to find that? So we know that side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse is root 10, no? So that's why root 10 whole square. So square and root gets cancelled. So 1 square is 1 plus x square is equal to 10. So from this one x square is equal to 10 plus 1 become as minus 1. So which is equals to 9. So x is equals to here plus or minus 3, but here these are lengths, no? So that's why consider as positive only. So x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. So come to this one. Here sin B is equals to 1 by root 5. So here B is there. Sin B, no? So that's why here opposite by hypotenuse. And this is some y. Okay. So we need to find that y. Again same process. 1 square plus y square is equals to root 5 whole square. So square and root gets cancelled. Next 1 square is 1 plus y square which is equals to 5. So y square is equals to 5 plus 1 become as minus 1. So which is equals to 4. So from this one y is equals to plus or minus 2. So we have to take it as 2 only, no? Why? Because that is the length. Okay. So y is equals to 2 here. So y is equal to 2. So by using these two conditions, here x is equal to 3, y is equals to 2. We need to find that cos A and cos B values. So cos A is equals to cos A and cos B values we need to find out. Okay, sin values already they given. Sin A is 1 by root 10. Sin B is 1 by root 5. Okay. So cos A. Cos A is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 3 by root 10. So cos A is equals to 3 by root 10. And here cos B is equals to cos B. So here cos B adjacent by hypotenuse 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5. So already I told you that here you can apply sin or cos, anything you can apply to find that A plus B value only they are asking. So sin of A plus B I am going to take. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, so sin A is 1 by root 10. Cos B is 2 by root 5. Plus cos A is 3 by root 10. Sin B which is equals to 1 by root 5. So which is equals to here 2 by root 5, no here, sorry, 2 by root 5. Okay, so its LCM is root 10 into root 5. Okay, and here 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So 5 by root 50. 5 by root 50. Root 10 into root 5 is root 50 only, no. So root 50 we can write it as 5 by 25 5s we can, sorry, 25 2s we can write that 50. So 5 by square root of 25 into square root of 2. So 5 by square root of 25 is 5 into root 2. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So which is equals to 1 by root 2. What is that value here? 1 by root 2. So sine of a plus b is equals to 1 by root 2. So here we taken sine, no? So that's why apply here also sine trigonometric ratio. So sine of a plus b is equals to, here 1 by root 2, that is the value of sine pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 means sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2 only, no? So that's why sine pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. Now sine and sine trigonometric ratios gets cancelled. So here a plus b is equals to pi by 4. So what is the value of a plus b here? A plus b is equal to pi by 4. So which option is correct here? Yes, option 2 is correct, that is pi by 4. Am I clear, children? Yes. So see the next 9th question. Yes, see here 9th one, and this is very, very important. See here. Why? Because up to now what the problems we did, those all one type, and this is another method. See here. Why? Because here they given one of the condition, that is in a triangle ABC. They given the condition is triangle ABC. Those three angles also there in that triangle. Okay. So A is an obtuse angle. Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Cos B is equal to 12 by 13. We need to find sin C. Sin C. So listen carefully. We know that in a triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Yes or no? In a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Here they are asking that a sin C, no? So that's why I am going to just pair that A and B. Okay, compound angle. So C is equals to 180 degrees minus of A plus B. 180 degrees minus of A plus B. Now here they are asking sin C. So apply that sine trigonometric ratio on both sides. Sin C is equals to sine of 180 degrees minus of A plus B. Minus of A plus B. Am I clear? So here sin C value we need to find out. Sin C is equal to sine of 180 minus theta. Here A plus B consider as theta. So 180 minus theta. 180 is there. So as it is, the same trigonometric ratio will come sine. And here minus 180 minus means lies in second quadrant only, no? So in second quadrant sine is positive. So sine of A plus B. Okay. Not completed answer. Here onwards we need to find out. Just listen. So sin C is equal to sine of A plus B we need to find out. So here sine of A plus B. So sine of A plus B means, what is the formula here? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That is the formula, no? Okay. So in that formula, actually in that question they given that sin A value. Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. And another value they given cos B. Cos B is equals to 12 by 13. So sin A cos B they given. We need to find cos A sin B. Okay. So how to find? 3, 5. Sin A. Here this is 3, 5. And cos B. Here the angle is B. Here adjacent 12 and 13. Okay. So find that angles. Here 25 minus 9 which is equals to here 16. So the side is 4. Okay, already you know this condition, no? 4 square, no? So that's why. And here it is 169 minus 144, which is equals to 25. 25 means here the side is 5. So here this is 5. Okay, now we find that sides also. Now we need to write that cos A and sin B values we need to find out. So cos A is equals to, cos A means here adjacent by hypotenuse 4 by 5. And here sin B is equals to, here sin B means opposite. What is that opposite? 5 by 13. 5 by 13. But here completed, not completed. Here we have to check that one thing. What is that? Ma'am, here the given condition is A is an obtuse angle. A is an obtuse angle means A is greater than, here this is A. Okay, this is capital A. So, this is that obtuse angle. A, obtuse angle. Now, A lies in which quadrant? A lies in which quadrant? A ray, that one comes up to Q2, no? So, in Q2, which one is positive? Sine is positive, cosecant is positive. So, sine is positive, so no need to write. And cos is positive here. No, cos is negative. So, that's why here cos is minus 4 by 5. Cos is minus 4 by 5. Now, the same values here we have to substitute. So, sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. So, here sin A cos B. So, sin A value is sin A 3 by 5, cos B is 12 by 13. Sin A is 3 by 5, cos B is 12 by 13. Okay, 3 by 5, 12 by 13. Next, cos A sin B, minus 4 by 5, 5 by 13. Minus 4 by 5 and here 5 by 13. Okay, yes or no? Minus 4 by 5, 5 by 13, sin B. Cos A, sin B. So, here 13 5 is 65 and 12 3 is 36. And here plus into minus is minus, by 13 5 is 65, 4 5 is 20. So, both also having that same denominator. So, take it as denominator as 65. And here its numerators difference we have to take 36 minus 20. So, which is equals to 16 by 65. What is that answer here? 16 by 65. So, here actually this is the value of sin C. Sin C is equal to sin of A plus B we find. We written that. Okay, so sin of A plus B we simplified that. So, sin of A plus B value is equals to 16 by 65. So, here this is the value of sin C. Okay, so sin C is equal to 16 by 65. So, first option is correct. 16 by 65. Am I clear, children? Yes. See that next question. Yes, see here. Next, 10th one. Okay, this is also very easy. So, see here, sin 40 degrees minus sin 80 degrees plus sin 160 degrees. So, ma'am, here we don't know that 40, 80 and 160 degrees. No. Previous, I told you one thing. Which values we know that? First, is it possible to convert like that? Possibility there or not? See. Not possible. Then, by using compound angles formulas, we know that, no? So, apply that formulas here. So, sin 40, we can write it as sin 60 degrees minus 20 degrees. Shall we write like that? Yes. Sin 60 minus 20 minus sin of 60 degrees plus 20 degrees. Shall we write like that? 60 plus 20, 80 only, no? Plus sin of 160. So, 180 degrees minus 20. 180 degrees minus 20. Okay. So, here sin 60 minus 20, sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B means sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. Minus of sin A plus B. So, sin A cos B. Sin A cos B. And here plus is there, no, but here minus is there. So, plus into minus, minus cos A sin B. Cos A sin B. Plus sin of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means that is second quadrant, and here again sin become as sin only, plus sin 20 degrees. Is there any cancellations possible? Once check that. Yes, sin 60 cos 20. Sin 60 cos 20. Here plus and here this is minus. So those two gets cancelled. And here 60 degrees, 20 degrees. So minus 2 cos 60 degrees sin 20 degrees plus sin 20 degrees. Okay, so minus 2 cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2 into sin 20 degrees plus sin 20 degrees. Completed your answer, see that? Here see, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So, minus into sin 20 minus sin 20 degrees plus sin 20 degrees. So, minus sin 20 plus sin 20. Both also gets cancelled. So, your answer is 0. What is the answer? 0. So, which option is correct? Yes, option 3 is correct. Am I clear? Yes. See that next. 11th question. Here this is also easy only. Sin 20 cos 40 degrees plus cos 20 sin 40 degrees. Direct formula. What is that formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That is the formula for that is sin of A plus B. So, sin of A plus B 40. Direct formula that is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to sin of A plus B. So, sin of 20 plus 40 degrees. So, which is equals to sin 60 degrees. So, what is the value of sin 60? Yes, very good. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So, which option is correct? Yes, option 3 is correct. Easy only, no? Next. 12th one. This is also easy only. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B formula, see here. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So, that is the formula of cos A plus B. So, cos of 130 degrees plus 140 degrees. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That formula we know that, right? So, here cos of 270 degrees. So, cos 270, how we can write? Cos of 180 degrees plus 90 degrees. So, 180 plus 90, which quadrant? 180, here this is 180. So, 180 plus 90, here this is Q3. So, in Q3, cos is positive or negative? Negative. So, minus, here cos only. So, cos 90 degrees. So, cos 90 degrees value is either that is positive or negative, whatever it may be, answer is 0 only, no? Cos 90 is 0, sin 0, 0, cos 90 is 0. Okay, so answer is option 1. Okay, children. So, children, in this video, we discussed the questions up to 12. So, in that next video, continuation questions, we will say that. Okay, thank you.